The animal has arrived.
And his opponent from Washington, D.C., weighing in at 290 pounds, the Animal, Batista!
WrestleMania is where Batista gets what he wants.
Who could forget Batista's victory over Triple H for the WWE Championship at WrestleMania 21?
Unmatched power and intensity about to be unleashed on the grandest stage of them all.
Unparalleled success, both in the ring and in Hollywood.
Which is insane, because for some reason, the WWE Universe has never appreciated Batista quite enough.
Well, no question about it, Batista will demand the respect of the WWE Universe right here tonight.
This is WWE's benchmark match that tests the combatants like they've never been tested.
The truth of the matter is that very few WWE superstars have ever competed in an Iron Man match.
This match proves who is the best overall athlete in WWE. It's a gut check like no other.
Winning an Iron Man match puts you in an elite category as a competitor. Oh my goodness, dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Oh, stop right to the hand.
The proverbial mud hole has been stomped, and now it's time to walk it dry.
Firm control.
Wicked kick to the face.
And he sends him into the corner.
He's channeling the crowd's energy.
Counters. And this might not have a pleasant ending. Oh, jeez, falling hard to the outside. Getting tossed out of the ring like that could do some long-term damage. I hope they're okay. Face first off the knee. We've seen how suffering that first pinfall in an Iron Man match can be hard to bounce back from, Corey.
Well, fighting from the bottom is not a position anyone envies, but don't underestimate how hard it is to score that first pinfall. All that effort gets you on the scoreboard, but can leave you drained and vulnerable.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat. Takes out the knee.
The spot. The WWE Universe giving him an extra shot of adrenaline. Oh, they're just punishing their opponent now.
With a series of forearms.
Left by the turnbuckles.
Oh, look at this aggression in the corner.
Yeah, on the throat in the corner.
Batista is being taken full advantage of now.
Things can get grim in a hurry if Batista doesn't turn this around.
Electric chair.
Oh, this is scary.
Face buster. Batista's looking sluggish. Things should be winding down for him.
Batista gets drawn in.
Powerbomb.
That can fit.
Oh my gosh, the lights are out.
Timely reversal on Undertaker.
He's reversing the momentum on him.
Yeah, he's able to stop that surge dead in its tracks.
And a ripcord drop kick.
Spear. Incredible. Batista taking care of business and loving every second of it.
Batista is surely getting what he wants right now.
Batista about to get what he wants.
He's returning fire.
He wants it one more time.
Sit-out powerbomb. Batista looks knocked out.
Makes the cover. Oh, kick out at two.
If Batista just survived the best shot he's going to receive all night, I don't think there's any stopping the animal.
That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result. And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside. 1/4 of the time limit is ticked away thus far.
And neither superstar has any ground to make up. Who knows how the remaining 3/4 of this match will go?
We are seeing these men leaving it all on the line.
No stone being left unturned. Everything the body can give is being brought to the table.
Huge boot.
He's begging him to get up so he can put him back down.
Kick gets caught. Clothesline takes him down.
Forget about it.
He's taking this to the floor now. Getting carried around. Bad spot to be in.
Oh, this is going to be ugly, guys. Look out!
And he tosses him back in now. Oh, and a lariat. Followed by another lariat. And a ripcord drop kick.
This is it.
He gets the fall. Batista finds the advantage.
Going right after the neck. Neckbreaker.
Great counter. Impressive ring IQ on display there.
Short arm lariat. And again. Oh, watch the ripcord. Pop, drop kick.
Looking for a little bit of high risk here, it seems.
Taking flight.
Body splash.
This could do it. He sneaks one in there.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
Short arm lariat. And again. Oh, watch the ripcord.
And a ripcord drop kick. What energy in the arena tonight. He's been placed in the corner now, setting him up for something here. Uh-oh, up to the second rope. Oh! Arm drag. This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him.
Running FTO plants him.
Nicely done.
He's looking a little off balance.
Taking it to the shoulder.
Iron Man match continues as we stomp across the midway point.
Focus needs to be regained because it only takes a moment to make a two-fall lead disappear.
Flapjack.
Gosh, landing face first. Oh, jarring spine buster by Batista.
Fights the shoulder up and one.
Not quite enough to put him away. clothesline. Not finished just yet. Ooh, there's number 2. Will the third time be a charm?
No way!
Oof.
Compromised position here.
Outright presentation of power there.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Down to opponent. And a double axe handle smash.
The animal not backing down one bit.
Double axe handle smash.
Moment. Batista with a Batista fight submission.
I think he's about to...
There's the tap. He just had to tap out. He had to find a way to minimize the damage and move forward in the match. Tossed around like a rag doll. Does he get him here? He breaks the ref's count after 1.
This is insanity.
Did you expect anything less?
Batista with a Batista bomb submission. Oh, is he going to tap out? Good job getting to the ropes there.
Yeah, that could have been bad.
Down to opponent. And a double axe handle smash.
And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area.
In position. This is going to be... Batista with the Batista bite.
The submission is in. He could be up.
And there's the tap. And come on now, the ref has got to get in there and force a break.
Down to opponent. And a double axe handle smash.
Batista is out of his cage.
Call animal control. Batista's loose.
And Batista still attacking with plenty of aggression there.
Despite everything that's happened so far, the animal is still very much on the hunt.
We've got to acknowledge these fans, a packed arena, and we're hearing every single voice.
It is loud and it is mad in here. Taking flight.
Bang, what a splash! Drop kick.
Beautiful. Taking a moment to let the crowd know how much he appreciates them.
That's going to sting.
And we can say we've now gotten into the 4th quarter of regulation time in this Iron Man match.
Neck and neck here. Will the next fall be enough to secure victory?
Hits to the core like that'll render you useless.
And set right into the corner.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
Boom, right to the midsection.
Being ahead 2 falls now gives you breathing room. You can stay aggressive to gain some more insurance, knowing that a mistake won't lose you the lead.
Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation from the crowd and get back into the fight.
Hard landing.
Batista getting the WWE Universe riled up.
Oh, spine buster by Batista.
Batista with the Batista bite.
Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to...
And the anguish on his face continues. Tapping out isn't going to save him here.
Hammering down on the knee.
Tossed back into the ring. Big risk here. He may be counted out.
He might be oblivious to the count, guys.
Will it be? He gets the late score.
Down opponent and a double axe.
Batista with a Batista mind submission. Oh, is he going to tap out? Could earn a fall if he does.
Yeah, he can't afford to be down a fall. Hang on. Hang in there.
Oh, look at. Oh, man.
One blow, all it took.
German suplex.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Ooh. And his core has been taking a beating.
And you have to wonder if that's affecting his breathing. Got him set up. This could be it, Corey.
With the Batista bomb!
Batista got all of him.
2. He scores a fall late in the match. Vicious right forearm. Time closing in towards the end.
Locks in the gut wrench.
Suplex! Everyone is on their feet in this building.
Absolutely showing the respect for all the exertion these athletes are putting each up.
Time's up, and he triumphs in this Iron Man match.
Here is your winner, the Animal, Batista!
And while a violent attempt was made to